Hi guys! So here it is, another travel vlog. I know I've been little MIA on YouTube, but I keep forgetting I have to vlog, and this trip I'm vlogging because it's going to be a very special trip, plus it's going to be a very funny trip. I'm telling you now only, it's going to be very funny. I'm just excited to vlog everything.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
I'm going to Tirupati and Hyderabad with my mom and Nanu. My Nanu is in full art of peace. He should be in the museum. The jawab he'll give you and all that. I mean, y'all will die laughing. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm going to get a lot of shouting on it, but it's okay, it's fine. So this trip was pending for a very long time for Tirupati. We wanted to go. So finally we are going, and apparently it's some really big day, festival or something. So I'm at home. I just finished my last minute packing. We have like a 4 p.m. flight if I'm not wrong, but it's okay, we're on time. It's domestic. So I'm gonna see you at the airport and just stay tuned for this roller coaster ride. अगर कोई भी गाली वाली आए नहीं आने के बीच से, मैं म्यूट कर दूँगी, वो कोई बात नहीं, पर don't judge me. An entertainment. Okay, I'm late and let's see when I enter the car what will happen. Okay, like bye.
Welcome on board Date Navy.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Hi बोलो. बोलो hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hi.
Vlog.
Vlog.
Vlog. वो.
Hi vlog.
पप्पा ने भी बोला बहुत मजा आएगा. फिर हम लोग 16th Avenue पे देखे पूरा vlog देखेंगे.
Huh?
आधा घंटे मेरा खाया. आधा घंटे में आराम से बैठ के खाता था. आधे कलाक में कोई सैंडविच खाएंगे और तो टाइम बचे. तो अधिक टाइम हिंदी कौन बोले?
मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स को हिंदी नहीं समझ में आएगी, हिंदी में बात करो.
इसके लिए बात कर रही हूँ. मेरा होएगा हिंदी में, हिंदी में ही बात करूँ. एक्चुअली माँ सिंधी में रहा असानी को मतलब ही करने को हम बदल नहीं होता.
मैं ट्रांसलेटर लगा दूंगी नीचे, मुझे क्या.
Sometimes my genius is, it's almost frightening.
Finally, we are done with the check-in now. We are at the security. Our flight is for delayed for 15 minutes, but it's Indigo, so it was expected. But now we want to go to the lounge to have food, so now we can go and have a raft session. It's 15 currently. Yeah, traveling with 2 different generations, and my mom. She has to handle 2 people, me and my Nanu. So all the best to her. I love my friend from Italy. So in my bag there's always a lip gloss pouch, and all my lip glosses are kept. And every time security they catch me for that because it's some food item. And then the security guard is also like, मैं बोला तुमने पूरा बैग खोला इसके लिए. It's okay, the reasons. Fine, but Nanu very irritated because not getting food. So boarding 3:10 की है.
एक लत्ता बाय कर कुछ भूख लगी हमको. एक ड्राई लेनी पड़ती है.
और इतना सारा लेकर आए हो.
नहीं ये तो एक मीठा तो खा दूँ. ए मैडम
नूडल्स खाए.
ठीक है.
मस्त है.
पूरे खाओ तो मैं 2 पीस खाता हूँ.
Very nice. Y'all have gone and stood in the Raipur line. Going to Raipur. Nice. It's okay. Nice. I'll see you in Raipur. Very good. Good job. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
आप करेंगे. नहीं बताएं कहाँ जाएंगे.
अरे कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
इस वक्त ट्रेन में पता नहीं कहाँ जाएंगे.
हाँ?
क्या बोलूं मैं इस पे? क्या बोलूं क्या अब मैं इस पे? मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता.
अरे जा, ये फ्लाइट कहाँ जा रही है? दिल्ली क्यों जा रहे हैं? हम दिल्ली क्यों जा रहे हैं? ये तो तिरुपति जा रही है। और फिर उसके बाद कहाँ जा रहे हैं? तो हम दिल्ली जा रहे हैं पहले। हाँ? 3 generations are traveling, so you can understand. Okay. Flight is delayed from 1 hour.
1 घंटा हो गया फ्लाइट लंड है ना चढ़ंद है तो उनमें नहीं मिलन खबर ना क्लियर सिग्नल
One eternity later.
हम कहाँ पहुँचे?
आपकी जगह पे
Wow! Very dangerous!
वहाँ निशानी आपकी जगह दिस पे हाँ 99% yeah show me the number
वाह अरे क्यों
नंबर
ये मेरा ही बैग है।
और कौन लेके आएगा?
ये बैग मेरा ही है ना, देखो ना स्टिकर।
डोमेस्टिक में और कौन लेके आएगा ऐसा बैग? अरे मम्मा का ही है।
कैसे क्या लिखा है
ये
कार्ल लाgerfeld लिखा है ना।
अच्छा वो
हाँ मैंने बोला ना एक में आ जाएगा। आपको 2 ट्रॉली लेके जानी है। देखा I told you एक में आएगा। For the first time we have less luggage and while coming like there were like 2 trolleys we used to put, but now I was like एक ट्रॉली में सब कुछ हो जाएगा now. So yeah. He's calling suitcases man.
आ गया
Wow. The lighting is so pretty guys. We have reached Tirupati and we are staying in Taj of course. The hotel is so pretty guys. It's giving really Indian vibes. Yeah, that's not a foreigner. Anyways, I love it. I've got such cute Indian outfits for tomorrow and I'll get ready for it.
ओम चंदनं मन्मदे नित्यं निर्पावनासनं मापदा सत्यं एकं लक्ष्मी वस्तु सर्वदा
आपके सामने दिया ना और क्या चाहिए आपको
So we have reached Tirupati. It's currently 7 o'clock here. So my plan is I don't want to sit idle. I will go to the gym. I'm very hungry, so I need snacks. So I'll just go do some workout and then try fitness because today there's nothing. The plan is nothing. It's just like now I've come here and when you come to the Nadu, you can't even step out anywhere. There's nothing to do here apart from darshan, which is tomorrow, which is the main day. But for now, we'll just chill in the room. I go to the gym, my mom is going to wash her hair in the salon and and then we'll have dinner later and then after that we'll see nature because the darshan is very late. Like we have 4 PM darshan, not like a subah ka darshan because that's also short. So yeah, I love the hotel. It's so cute. आपको तो कंप्लेन था कि मैंने कनेक्टिंग डोर क्यों खोला?
मैं तो बोलता हूँ बिल्कुल नहीं करो, मैं यहाँ से भी जाऊँगा, अभी खुला है तभी बोल रहा हूँ।
अच्छा आओ पापा।
मुझे तो चिल्ला रहे थे कि मैंने कनेक्टिंग डोर क्यों खोला। अभी मेरा ही कनेक्टिंग डोर काम आया ना।
अरे काम नहीं आ रहा है तो
धूप वगैरह
नहीं बताओ। प्लेन वाटर, प्लेन रूम टेम्परेचर, टोटली प्लेन, सीधा गोली देनी
रूम टेम्परेचर
गर्म पानी ऐड कर दो तो आपको चाहिए।
हाँ हाँ जरूरी है। क्या है, मौसम आए दर्शन करने के लिए, तबीयत ठीक रहे यहाँ।
हमारे पास खिचड़ी भी है,
नहीं वो
दाल बनवा दूंगा, जीरा आलू हो जाएगा, फुल्का हो जाएगा,
जीरा आलू साउंड्स गुड।
बिल्कुल लेस स्पाइसी, बिल्कुल जीरो स्पाइसी बनवा दूंगा जीरा आलू।
हाँ चलेगा, तो आप खा सकते हो।
Yeah, I can have जीरा आलू।
बस दाल दे दो और प्लेन प्लेन वाली जो खा लेंगे आप, एक दफ़ा खा लो।
राइस नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, आई वांट रोटी।
रोटी में
रोटी फुल्का बनवा दो घर वाला,
हाँ हाँ फुल्का।
जीरा आलू फुल्का और बताओ, दाल
हाँ
दाल तड़का कर देता हूँ।
दाल नहीं करता है, तब नहीं खाता हूँ।
नहीं मतलब नाम है, तड़का नहीं लगेगा।
तो मैं चाहे वो मेरी दुनिया हेवी तो माँ जब ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है।
I'm having too much fun, guys. This is why I was telling you this trip is going to be too
मेरा खाना हो गया, एक मिनट।
Nanu sleeps early and gets up early and eats food early, everything early. So it's 9:30 and I'm already done with my dinner. I never finish my dinner so early. I don't know what we'll do, but it's cold. Varun, I didn't record what we ate because I just had like a spaghetti and they had jeera aloo fulka, whatever. The murtis also. Everywhere you see one murti in each corner. Good morning, guys. Today is Darshan Day, and this is my fit. Light pink. I love this profile. I just shot a reel from home. I couldn't record that because we are getting late. They have gone down to order and I have to fix it. It's too good. Anyways, I'll show you guys my fit. This is my fit. I kept it very simple, very. I love it so much. And on the door, the lighting, guys, I told you yesterday night the lighting is going to be so pretty here in the day. We're waiting for the car. Our darshan is 4 p.m. So we are on time only now basically. We have to get down at the toll and walk. inside the mandir, so I have to leave it in the dark. And then we reached.
Oh, we are name में just right now.
So yeah.
अभी लाइन का पास खोने वाला है.
It's on the truck.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Darshan just got over at 6 p.m. It took us 3 p.m. It took us 3 hours. Actually, it was not that bad. It's just that we had to wait to go inside, but it was very quick. It was a good darshan. Darshan कैसा था?
बहुत अच्छा था.
Very nice.
अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
अभी हम लोग चाय पीने जा रहे हैं.
और फिर
we try and go to Padmavat temple.
If at all,
मम्मा को कल सुबह नहीं जाना, आज जाएंगे.
we'll try.
No phones and nothing was allowed. So hungry. I need some chai. And it's so cold. It's so chilly. It's like up in the hills, so it's like very chilly. And my nose is hot because of that. We have come to the hotel. I had to shower and clean myself because too many people, and I was just, so yeah, I needed to clear myself. We went to this Padmavati temple also after Tirupati, but then there was like too much rush, so we couldn't go inside. It was like crazy. Let me find my camera. Sorry, yeah, there was too much rush over there, so we came back and came home, showered, and I ordered tea, and I had to have tea. My mind had gone to Zen mode with so much happening around, so I had to like clear myself and have tea. And I'm good. I've checked my phone. I've not checked my phone also since so long because you can't take any electronic items inside Tirupati. So I had to leave everything inside the car, my shoes, phone, everything, just like everything. But the darshan, guys, I couldn't talk in the car. The darshan was so beautiful. It was amazing. So yeah, now I'm just like watching some TV. Whatever. It's 8:30 currently. Last night in Tirupati. Then go down, eat dinner, come up. Tomorrow we have a flight. And yeah, that's it. And then Hyderabad. There also is some temple. इसको स्पार्कलिंग वाटर बोलते हैं.
अच्छा
अरे you get appam with stew. बहुत अच्छा है. पूरा different मिलेगा. उपमा नहीं, appam. appam चावल की रोटी होती है. बहुत अच्छी होती है.
My favorite. I found it. I'm so happy. This hotel, every corner there's a murti. It's like the vibe is so good. There was a murti here now, and now so many people are coming in. Here in Tirupati, all the hotels are full. Like everything is full. See, one more, 1, 2. In every corner you'll find a murti. This is the other one here, and then there is. This is my fit for today. Today we are flying out to Hyderabad.
लगे नीचे उतारने का है. नीचे रखने का लगे.
तो वो आएगा लेने.
नहीं, अरे मैं खड़ा रहूँगा, बुलाऊँगा उसको.
नहीं, वो अपने आप आएगा.
अरे तुम लोग अंग्रेज हो लेकिन मैं अंग्रेज नहीं हूँ, इसलिए मेरे को मेरा काम करना है.
Hyderabad. We are just waiting for our flight because our flight is at 6 p.m. and it's just not even 3 p.m. and the airport is literally 20 minutes away from the hotel. And we are flying to Hyderabad and it's a very small, very like छोटा सा airport. So if we go there also what will we do? So it's like let's just stay over here, have coffee and leave by 3:30 because then we reach by 4. The flight is at 6 and it's Indigo, so I think it will be delayed because while coming to Tirupati we got delayed by 1.5 hours. So I have no hope in Indigo. Sorry Indigo, but you guys have proven. So no hope left. I'm just chilling and I love the lighting over here. But yeah. We have reached the airport, guys. We are very early at airport. Flight is at 6.
हमको दीवाना तुमसे काली घटा कहीं
We are at the airport. It's a very छोटू airport. I just had tea. Tea was actually very good. Our flight is at 6 p.m. Boarding is at 5:10. We are very early. We still have 45 minutes more to go. So yeah, just chilling. Then we reach Hyderabad. Chill.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा है।
Kanjivaram sari. Guys, you soon see me wearing a Kanjivaram sari. Why do I get this angle of both of them always talking to each other as a khopche mein? Always. Because they get very conscious and put the camera on their face. Mama, this is your second chai.
Yes,
Why are you having 2 chais?
this is amazing chai.
How much you got this chai for?
90 rupees.
Nanu, chai piyo ye lo. Chai piyo. Nanu. We got a buggy. Child can go. I love sitting in buggies in the airport. It's like a different feeling to sit in buggies. Moment when you're in the buggy and like everyone's walking and then it's like everyone's looking at you and staring at you. It's oh god.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग करता है तू
It's so happening. Hyderabad is so happening, guys. Wow. I love it already. It's like a mall below the airport. If you come down and you exit, this is like a full mall. It's pretty nice. See guys, this is all the restaurants. The weather is also nice. And it's happening because obviously there's a lot of people publicly, everyone's out and about. But yeah, I like it. I'm just searching for good place to eat biryani, guys. Don't know. I'll put a story. We have reached Hyderabad. I couldn't vlog so much because it was hodgepodge, but we are in this hotel. It's called the Hyatt Place in Banjara Hills. The area is too good. We are like bang opposite the mall, GBK mall, I don't know. But I'm happy for that. The hotel is pretty, it's nice, it's cute. So we're just staying in the hotel because tomorrow is early morning for us. So I've ordered some biryani. Because obviously come here and it's not very fun in Hyderabadi biryani. I've been dying to have that. And Sunday I can have non-veg because this is a religious trip and tomorrow we are going to a mandir. and I can't go to the mandir and ask to have chicken. So yeah, today is the only night I can have it. We can't step up because we are very tired. So I've ordered from this place called Shabad or Shadab, I don't know. I put a story on my Instagram telling me the best spots to eat in Hyderabad for biryani, and they said this Shadab restaurant is really good. So I've ordered the special chicken biryani from there, and I've ordered Magnolia Bakery's vanilla cupcake. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get into my PJs and eat. I'm so hungry because tomorrow, and we'll just see tomorrow what we can do. So let me just show you the vlog. Now we're eating in the restaurant only because they allowed us to take our own food and we can eat over here because he's also eating food from the kitchen over here. So we also like go and put our food in the plate. We can also eat over here.
Nice.
Now we ordered this. Okay guys, let's come.
फिर आगे आमला खा दो
Taste test. Fire. So Malai Paya from Nayab Hotel. So they allowed us to eat in the restaurant.
ये रुमाली रोटी
Yeah, boy.
इतना नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
2 hours later.
जितना खा सकते हो उतना खाओ.
लेकिन इतना प्याज रात में ना तुम बातों में नहीं देखो हमें
अच्छा अभी खाओ ना पापा आपको दूध कोई ना खा देंगे.
Guys, I've eaten so much. I couldn't record it, but I've eaten so much. I didn't like. I've not got food in many days, but I was just walking in the hotel because it's Magnolia Cupcake also. It's then finished. Good morning, guys. It's the day. It's the last day in Hyderabad. It's the last day of the trip. It's 11 a.m. currently. We have to go to some Birla temple, and after that we are going for lunch. Then I don't know what's planned, but my mom's gone for bath and I'm just waiting at home for that. I've not slept the full night, guys. This is my look for today. It's very nice. I love this. This is my favorite kurta out of all. Not one of them. But yeah. Say hi.
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Knock like this. Why do you knock like a tyrant?
Finally ready.
12:30 का टाइम था पापा.
मुझे कोई मालूम नहीं 12 है कि 1 है
Guys, I'm at this cafe, Kapoor's Cafe in Hyderabad. It's a full dhaba style. It is so good. There's Punjabi music going on. There's Punjabi food. What else do you want? There's good life. place is so good. I told you what Thali is also.
Wait. I want. उनको दियो, आपको शेयर करके देगा। ले बेटा।
I don't want so much.
अच्छा।
There's so much food. What? So less?
Yes.
ये देखो कितना खाना लिया है। ये देखो नानू।
Look, I have malai kofta.
अरे what about all this?
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है।
कौन है?
फूड कैसा था?
Very nice.
पान क्यों लिया एक और?
शाम के लिए तेरे रात को जा रखे रखो।
पर मैंने नहीं बोला था लेने के लिए।
तो मत खाना, हम 2 खाएंगे, 1.5 खाएंगे।
नीचे से एक मालूम पड़ गया तो देन we went to Kapoor house, Kapoor cafe. Then we went to Mugda. We did shopping over there. Then we went to Sarhad Mall, right?
Sarhad City Capital.
Sarhad City Mall, yeah. Over there we went. वहाँ पे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. Then we came back and we booked tickets to go to Border 2. We said we wanted to watch Forum. I told her Forum Mall. GVK is good, huh? Yeah.
We are back in the hotel. I'm just waiting down to get some parcels. I have got so many parcels in this hotel. They're like, so we went opposite to this mall. If you can see, it's right back opposite my hotel. We went to watch Border 2 because we couldn't get a show anywhere. It was houseful everywhere. So we did some shopping as well. So which was not fitting in our bag. So I ordered a cabin luggage from Blinkit. उसको लेने के लिए I came down. And I've sent it up, and one more food order is coming. Mom is having Subway, so I was like, bar I'll go up and come down. So better I wait down only for the Subway to come. I'll go back up. And I sent the bag to the reception out. So yeah, but the movie was so good. I couldn't vlog anything, but it was like nothing. It was a very normal day. Good morning, guys. It's 9:30 in the morning. We are heading down for breakfast. My nana is already eating breakfast now. We have a flight at 2:30, so to leave from here by 11:30. Good morning.
Good morning. I don't want more.
Sure.
ओहो वॉफल कैसा लगा वॉफल पहली बार? ये फ्रेंच ब्रेड जैसा है। coffee. This will like help me get up. We have reached Hyderabad airport, going to Bombay. We are in the check-in line to Bombay in Hyderabad. So, I'll tell you guys a story. So, my Aadhaar card is the same as it's in Bachpan Aadhaar card. So, I've not changed it yet, and they have stopped me in many airports and domestic airports saying this. Then I had my passport copy and also I ignored it. Now again they stopped me. I'll try to put a photo of my Aadhaar card and show you guys how it looks, you guys and what I mean. So then now also at the Hyderabad airport they're like, you don't look the same. I was like, obviously not. I've changed my Aadhaar card. I've not changed it yet. Anyways, we have a 2:30 flight. We are very much on time. We are like before time actually. क्या बोला मेरा बैग चेकिंग में जाएगा? नहीं गया।
लकी है तुम।
नहीं, नानू ने क्या बोला? हाँ नहीं गया, तुम हार गए।
जाना चाहिए।
क्या बोला? नानू ने हार गया।
हाँ हार गई तुम।
मैं हार गई? नानू ने बोला पक्का जाएगा ना चेकिंग पे? This is still my Aadhaar card now. That's why they catch me in the airport all the time. But I've not changed my photo which I was talking about. See this guys. I mean, I don't look the same. Guys, this is what I bought from here, some good lane or something. I always in the airport I buy either a perfume or either I buy a lip gloss whenever I travel. Let's try this together. It's a lip oil basically. I love the taste. I'm scared I'll eat it because only order lip glosses. Nice, no? Is that color?
Yeah,
Very less or?
very less.
ठीक है ना, हाइड्रेशन इस बॉक्स में डाल.
ये बटन प्रेस रहेगा। इसके अंदर जा सकते
नहीं, इसके अंदर तो
नहीं, पर बिल फाइल में रखो, वो लोग कहीं डालते नहीं तो चेक करो ट्रांसफर करना।
नानू ने टस्करी देखी है ना, इसलिए.
तो इंडिया से ही लिया है।
वो नहीं है, वो चीज नहीं है।
We are very early. It's 1:15. Our boarding is at 2:15. So I'm just, it's lunchtime, just roaming in the hotel thing, in the airport to see if I can find something to eat so I can take away and have it in the flight. But I can't see anything to do tak. And we have 1 hour to aram se I can see what I want. Let's see. I can see only shops. I can't see anything. But the airport is quite big. My first time in Hyderabad. It was nice. The city was good. Everything. People were very sweet. So I'll tell you all one incident. So I told you all we went for a border tour. So we were coming out of the mall and the hotel was right opposite the mall. So we thought we could have walked. But the traffic was so bad. The Hyderabad crossing was so bad that we couldn't cross the road. And obviously me, my nano, my mom couldn't handle so much. So we asked an auto and that auto was an Uber auto. So he said okay, but then he's like he has to ask the customer if she's okay for him to drop us. Just it was bang opposite. And the girls, there were 2 girls, very sweet. They were like yeah, no problem. They waited. They actually waited when the auto guy just dropped us and came back. So that was cute. I got Subway. I don't know, there was nothing I could find over a burger. So I had yesterday only. And then there was nothing I could find to eat. And then Starbucks and all that. So I've not had Subway in this trip. So I got a tandoori chicken, and for my nanu and my mom I got aloo tikki. I need to go on a diet now. I've eaten so much rubbish. March we are going to Greece, which I have to lose weight and look good for that. I have 1 month, so I think I must have gained a kg already, but it's fine. I'm walking also so much. Walking is the best exercise. I think I walked 50 kilometers coming and way, and we have reached Bombay. And the vlog is over. I always forget to put an outfit, so I have done out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had fun. You enjoyed. The next vlog will be in Greece. I will try to do daily vlogs, but trip vlogs I'm doing. But next will be in March kind of vlog. But before that, I can do a daily vlog. Say bye. Say bye at least. Anu, bye bolo sila. Huh?
Bye.